All right, so does this decay occur? Let's look at charge. So -1, -1, 0, 0. That works, right? -1 is -1, so yay. Let's look at electron numbers. Muons have 0 electron numbers, right? So these guys are zeros. This is +1. This is the anti-electron neutrino is -1. And that works, right? We have 0 on both sides for the electron number. Let's look at the muon number. +1 for a muon, right? Electrons have no muon numbers, and this is +1, so this works. There are no tau numbers, okay? And then as far as mass energy, this is about 106 MeV, and it's turning into, the only rest mass we have over here is 0.511 MeV, about 500,000 electron volts. So we've got this covered. This could have a ton of kinetic energy, and then these neutrinos could carry off energy as well. So yes. Okay, here's a picture, by the way, a Feynman diagram of this. Here's the muon basically decaying to a mu neutrino. The W minus is what mediates this decay. Notice that the antiparticle is going backwards in time. All right, so this is time and space. Right, it's like, whoa, what does it mean? I don't know. All right.